Hey y'all, it's Dawn's Press-Ons with another Manic Monday. Today we're going to learn how to do a Christmas nail with some foils. So I brought some foils. This is just some of what we picked, and I'm trying to find something that we're only going to use a small piece. So I need the most Christmas vibe out of a very tiny piece. The whole nail isn't going to have the foil on it, okay? So like right here, if we isolated that or we isolated the snowflakes, those would be pretty. This one would be super pretty because we could pick just about anywhere as long as we didn't go like right in the center of everything. But we could fiddle with that one. This one's pretty with the Christmas trees and the snowflakes. This red one with all the snowmen on it. Again, these red snowflakes, as long as we didn't end up in between it all and we actually like centered a snowflake in there, that would be really cute. Look at this fun pink one. As long as we just made sure that we got something like either the gingerbread house in the center or the bells or Santa, you know, just fiddle with it to make sure that when you cut it out, you put the right thing in the center. Or this blue one with the Santas. Let's see, that's the one I ended up picking, the blue one with the Santas. Okay, so I cut a small piece out, and when I go to glue this down, I'm going to try to get that Santa in the middle because I just think he's super cute. Okay, so we're going to try this one. All right, so I have painted, sorry for the shake, I painted the nail in this Madame Glam color called Food Coma. It's just a really nice nude. It's a little bit on the peachy side, but you could pick any nude that suits you. This is just what I picked today. It was easy to get to. On our palette here, I'm going to put right here where it says LED glue, I'm going to put some of my International Nail Art Academy foil gel. This is a lamp cure foil gel. It is super, super thick and gloopy. Get myself a nice little dollop of that there. Now right beside it, I am going to put a tiny dot of my Gotti black gel polish. This is super, super pigmented, so I won't need much. I'm just wanting to tint my glue. Let's try that much. And I'm just going to use my brush here. I don't advise using your brush, but let's just use the brush to kind of stir that up and see what we get. If we use too much gel polish, it won't be as sticky as what we need. We just want to tint it so we can see where we've painted. Okay. The perfect shape to do this style of nail is the almond. So it's already in that slightly old-fashioned light bulb shape. So to start with, we're going to load our brush and then we're going to go straight across the nail, kind of like that. Then we're going to come down the nail like at a T, not all the way to the bottom though, okay? Then fill in to make a triangle that way. And that way. And let's fill that all in the center. Now let's work on rounding it out. Okay, so we're just going to round it out to kind of make it a nice old-fashioned Christmas bulb. Perfect. That'll be fine. Okay. All we have to do now is cure that for 2 minutes. By the way, when I painted this, I cured it. I put matte top coat on and cured that. Now we're putting on the sticky foil glue that we tinted. All right, let's cure that for 2 full minutes. So I'll click 60 seconds and then I'll do 60 seconds again. All right, this is cooled down for about 30 seconds since we cured it. 2 minutes, cooled it 30 seconds. It's ready for me to transfer. It's important to cool it down or else when you go to apply your foil, it will just turn into a stringy mess. And again, I want to kind of make sure that I line up that Santa right in the center there. I am not good at this. Let's see if we got him. All right, and you can either use a lint-free wipe to rub back and forth over your nail, or you can use a silicone tool or a hoof tool. This is a triple sticky foil gel. So you can already see where it's coming away. It's already done its job over there on that side. It said we're done. It's just about done over here. Just up here at the top, we need to rub a little bit more to get it to release. Let's see what we got. Perfect. Look at that exact shape. And there's Santa right in the center, just like I wanted him. Okay, and we could save that to use later because there's a lot of other good images on here and it's big enough to do more pieces. So I don't throw away these little pieces either. Okay, now around our light bulb here, we can take our palette and we can either paint around it in black or we could paint around it in gold. I think we're going to paint around it in black. But I don't think I want to use gel polish. Let me go get another product. All right, so there's a couple of different products here we could use to outline the black. One of them is, this is an International Nail Art Academy product. It's called Whipped Cream Gel. It's a black whipped cream gel and it has texture to it. It will be raised slightly if we use this one. This is a product from Amazon. It's just a black, it says sugar. I don't know why they call it black sugar. It is a flat black gel paint. It has to be cured in the lamp, but when you paint with it, it stays exactly where you put it. It's a rather thick product. I like using this. Young Nails makes this product. It's a gel paint. They call it Overdrive. It's just a black flat gel paint. Again, it doesn't move. It's just a little bit pricier. They do the same thing. Okay, so pick what you like. I'm going to go with the Amazon brand. And that number 129 is just where it's at in my collection over there. So you see this is a rather thick product. I'm going to get my longer brush here, my deliner brush. And I'll just get some on my brush here. That is way more than we need. And just deposit it there. Okay, recap this so that it always stays good. Okay, and we're just going to go around Mr. Santa. I'm just going to load my brush by pulling it through and twisting as I go. And that gets lots of color on my brush without a great big giant like hot dog on the end of it to blob up.
It's Christmas Day. The reindeer will bring some gifts to our house at night. Hey!
Much better. Yeah, it's not great. It's good. Let's cure it. So just like with the black, we're going to paint the gold line that would join one bulb to another bulb on a light strand, okay? So picture as the Christmas tree, you had the bulbs and they all hung from that light strand. We're going to paint that light strand gold. Or maybe you would call it like an ornament hanger. Maybe these are ornaments. I don't know. We've got this gold from Young Nails called Aura. It's a really pretty gold. I can't remember if it goes on pigmented or sheer. And we've got this gold from International Nail Art Academy in a Mirabella paint. And this has to be stirred up to find out what the real color is, because you can never, it's not even open. This is 002. It should be open. I have a lot of 002s open somewhere. Put that aside. Or we've got this whipped cream gel. And I know this, again, this is like more of a 3D product, but it is very pigmented. I think we're going to use it. We're just going to get a little bit out of the container here and put it on our palette. I think we'll need a little bit more than that. That's probably too much. That would probably be enough to do 2 or 3. Okay. So then the next thing we want to do is paint the cap that would hold the light or the ornament, and then paint the lines off to the sides where it connects with the others, or where it connects to the tree. So we're just going to paint a little rectangle here. You could do this in gold, silver, green, black, whatever color reminds you of your Christmas tree. I guess this is an ornament and not a light. I don't know. I keep going back and forth. One minute I want to think it's an ornament, and one minute I want to think it's a light. All right, there we go. Got the little cap on it. I could fiddle with this all day. All right, next we're going to kind of just come out a little and then up. And then same thing on this side. We're just going to kind of come out at an angle and then up. And that's literally all the gold paint we needed. I got a lot. And then we're going to fill in Mr. Snowman with some clear top coat. So let's put a dollop of clear top coat on our palette here. We don't need much. It's just for him. Everything else has been coated, and it's okay. So the whipped cream gel has a coat already in it. It does not. It will cure with no tack to it. So we don't need anything for it. We just need to cover our snowman here. And had we used the black whipped cream gel, we would have been fine not to cover that. So we're going to cover the snowman and the black line. And just to be safe, we're going to turn it upside down for a second just to make sure that all that gel goes right to the center of the Christmas bulb. And let's put it in the lamp and cure it for a full minute. And this is the finished product. So it could be a little neater, but it's still really cute. Imagine that at Christmas time using, whatever foil you choose with whatever background you choose. Maybe you don't like the nude. Maybe you want red. That would be adorable. Or black. That would be really cool too. So you could do whatever you want with these nails. Or silver, silver metallic with the foil centers. Okay, thanks for joining us today. Please hit the like and subscribe button. As a brand new press-on business, we need all the help we can get getting started. So thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day.